Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the Edu Genius Academy. Friends, today we have gathered here to explore the information about the job opportunities in administration and allied cadre offered by the Research Institute, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. DRDO offers exciting and challenging career opportunities to work on defense system, infrastructure and related activities in a broad spectrum of subject or discipline at its different laboratories, establishments, units spread throughout the country. Let's see the job opportunity as Assistant Halwai cum Cook. Eligibility criteria. To apply for this post, candidate must be citizen of India. Candidates must be in good mental and physical health and free from any physical deformity. Next is educational qualification. To be eligible to apply for this post, candidates should have done 10th from recognized board or university. Other essential requirement: candidates should have at least 2 years of experience in cooking in a government or semi-government or autonomous organization. Next is age limit. As on crucial date of eligibility, candidates must be in between 18 years and 27 years of age. And age relaxation for the SC or ST candidates and OBC candidates, including PWD candidates, as per the government norms. Now we will see the salary for this post. Salary: those who are selected for the post of Halwai cum Cook will get a salary pay at level 2 of rupees 19,900 to rupees 63,200 as per 7th CPC pay matrix and other allowances as per Governments of India rules. Now we will see the selection process for this post. Normally candidates are selected through the Tier 1, that is CBT, Tier 2, that is trade or skill or physical fitness and capability test, and then document verification. So let's see in details. Tier 1 will consist of objective type multiple choice questions only. Tier 1 examination will be in Hindi and English and it is provisional selection test. Tier 2 will be qualifying in nature. Let's see Tier 1 in details. In Tier 1, there is maximum 150 marks for duration of 120 minutes, in which first 100 questions are based on quantitative ability or aptitude, general intelligence and reasoning ability, general awareness, general science, arithmetic and numerical ability. 25 questions on general English and another 25 questions are related to job. Next is Tier 2. Those candidates who will clear Tier 1 will have to undergo Tier 2, which might be consist of trade test or skill test or physical fitness and capability test wherever applicable. For more information and updates, candidates are advised to visit to the Edu Genius Academy. That's all about the job opportunity offered by the DRDO after 10th. To know more about the different institutes, organizations and different career and job opportunities, do watch our next videos. Also do visit our notification section regularly. You can also use our chat with us facility to get your queries answered. Have a nice day. Thank you.